Welcome back, my little friend. Let's learn A B C. A apple tree. B bumblebee. C cat kite. D dog. E elephant. F fun fan. G grapes. H happy tunes. I igloo. J jumping. K king. L lion. M mouse moon. N nest. O octopus. P purple bus. Q quick queen. R rabbit. S sunny day. T train. U umbrella. V violin. W window. X box. Y yellow sun. Z zebra. Now we know our letters, sounds. Sing again. We will go around. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.